I didn't get
Now it
you.
is.
हाँ माता जी एक डाउट है सृष्टि माता जी यस जल्दी बोलिए यस सृष्टि माता जी आई थिंक शी इज टाइपिंग okay meanwhile we'll start with the class. Why do I have so much? Day 11. Yes. माता जी डिजायर नहीं रखनी चाहिए बट गोल्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट. Okay, that's your doubt, Mataji. We'll discuss about it, Mataji. As I go with the class, I'll answer. Okay, the goal is to top, but it's maybe include as a desire. Yes, Mataji, we'll discuss it. Yes, we'll start the class with Pranama Mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Taking the blessings of my Siksha Guru, His Grace Namanishthadasa, and my Guru Maharaj Jayapataka Swami. Nama Om Vishnu Padhaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swamin Iti Namine Nama Acharya Padhaya Nitai Kripa Pradayine Gaurakata Dhamadaya Nagara Gramatarine Nama Om Vishnu Padhaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyatya Deshatarine Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjanashalakaya चक्षुरुन्मितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपा कदामयं ददाति स्वपदान्वितं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णा चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेशा गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभय एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So we'll start today's class for the pleasure of Shri Shri Radha Govinda. So chapter number 11, Vishwa Rupa Sandarshana Yoga. For all of you who sat down till this day to listen about Krishna, here is the treat for all of us. Yes, we can see the Vishwarupa of the Lord. Yes, the small little boy, the cute little boy who was stealing butter in everyone's house, even today, even to the day, many mothers they have the desire to decorate their kids, put them this beautiful, what you say, they want to see their kids as Krishna, isn't it? Yeah, they get ready their kids as Krishna. Yeah, is this small boy, this cute boy, is he just that much? Is he not anymore? Huh? Anything extra? We just had the theoretical knowledge. Krishna explained to Arjuna that what are all his opulences, but this chapter is going to be the wonderful practical view of its, unlimited opulences. Yes, unlimited opulences. So Arjuna will request Krishna to show universal form. Lord Krishna describes his universal form. Sanjaya describes Arjuna's vision. Arjuna experience of seeing Krishna's universal form. Krishna will reply become my instrument to Arjuna. Arjuna's prayers. Yes, Chitra Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Arjuna uvacha mad anugrahaya paramam guhyam adhyatma samyitam yatva yoktam vachastena mumuyam vigato mama. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I have heard your instruction on confidential spiritual matters, which you have so kindly delivered unto me, and my illusion is now dispelled. So, in the chapter number 1, Arjuna was confused, he didn't know what to do. And in chapter number 11, Arjuna is telling, my illusion is now dispelled because he got the spiritual knowledge by Sri Krishna. He is accepting it. Yes, Krishna, because of you, because of your instruction, my illusion is now dispelled. Similarly, when you or us, we all of us read Bhagavad Gita, understand it properly, understand as Krishna has given to us. Yeah, same instruction as it is when you understand, we'll also reach the state of Arjuna. Yes, that is what we need to understand from the shloka. O lotus-eyed one, I have heard from you in detail about the appearance and disappearance of every living entity as realized through your inexhaustible glories. This is very beautiful. Yeah, we were all thinking Krishna was just a normal person, but he said he is the source of everything. When he wants, everything will be created. When he wants, everything will be annihilated. Yes, so that is what Arjuna is telling. O greatest of all personality, O supreme form, though I see you here before me in your actual position, as you have described yourself, I wish to see how you have entered into this cosmic manifestation. I want to see that form of yours. Yes, I want to see, for example, if you go for any of your college or any school, what happens? You'll be just see hearing theory part. You cannot imagine. You cannot think of. For example, if they talk about car engine, you have never seen car engine, yeah, but you are studying only theory. It's very difficult to imagine. Okay, this sits like this, engine looks like that, isn't it? So here Arjuna has got all information from Krishna and he is out of the delusion. But he wants to see how Krishna has entered into this cosmic manifestation. He said, everything is in me, I am not in everything. Yeah, I just wanted to see how that can happen. I want to see that form of yours. Rupam Aishwaryam Purushottama. Please, I want to see that Aishwarya of yours. The opulences of yours, Purushottama. Purushottama means in the Purushas, he is the Uttama, the best Purusha. That is why Krishna is also called as Purushottama. If already Arjuna is convinced about Krishna's supremacy, then why did he want to see universal form? What is the use? Was he not believing Krishna? Any idea? Any one of you? You can't unmute yourself? You can, right? Yes.
Mataji, because he was eager, Arjun was eager to um, see the Rupa of Lord Krishna.
Yes, he wants to see. When he has already accepted that Krishna is supreme, why he wants to see, Mataji?
The eagerness, like knowing, the more you want to know, the more you want to see.
Yes, eagerness is also one reason.
Curiosity, Mataji.
Bhargav Prabhu has put curiosity and he's saying curiosity. What is? Very important thing. Why this Bhagavad Gita was given to Arjuna? What is the use of this Bhagavad Gita?
For teaching us.
Yes. Yes, Riya Mataji. So in that context, you can tell us.
He
Yes.
wants to see so that when he goes and tells the people, he has
Uh-huh.
something to show that, okay, you know what? I don't know how to put this properly, but as some sort of evidence that yes, I have seen someone. So he is believing, but he will also have to do the duty or do his part of sharing this with people.
Haribol, yes, Hemangi Mataji. See, for example, we have a scientist. He has worked on an experiment. He got like he did trial error, everything, and he found out or invented something. Okay, so whatever the invention he has done, a authoritative group, that group will sit down or a committee will sit down. They'll check, yeah, whether it is done properly, whether the results are repetitive, etc., etc., and they'll tell yes, this is done properly. So it is printed in our textbooks and we are studying same thing. Yeah, when things come to us, what we say, okay, some scientist in some part of the world at some time long before has done, why should I study it? I will only do the invention. If I get, then I'll do it. That is what people should think. But we don't think like that. What we do, whatever is done by the scientists, it is validated. Yes, it is seen by the group of authoritative members or a committee who has the knowledge, who can see, they will approve it, and it is being put up for us as a knowledge. We all are studying it, isn't it? Similarly, this Bhagavad Gita has to be passed on to all of us, isn't it? That is what Krishna said. Arjuna is asking to see that Vishwarupa of Krishna, so that we, when we read it, we can also know that Arjuna saw, we can also see. Yes, so that was what we all have to understand. In very simple words, Arjuna is asking it for us. A devotee of the Lord will always be ready to pass on this information about Krishna. Krishna has already said, no, the devotees, they are in bliss, they get enjoyment, ultimate happiness by sharing about Krishna. So, Krishna, Vishwarupam, yes, it is there. I have seen it. He showed me. So you also can see it. Yeah, he's asking for us so that we need not speculate about. Krishna just said, he did not show. Yes, that's very important. So now Arjuna saw, I also want to see Krishna. Can I demand?
No, Mataji.
No, Mataji. Why, Prabhuji? Why can't we
Uh,
demand? Hmm.
a devotee will simply satisfies by looking at the original
Hmm.
form of Krishna, a simple
Hmm.
form, two hand form, and with
Yes,
the murali and peacock feather.
yes.
These things are the more attractive things than anything for a devotee.
Exactly, exactly. Krishna has already explained to us what all he is. He is the taste of water, he is the light from sun and moon, isn't it? Yeah, he has told all those examples. We are not eligible to see, no, we are not able to see. Yeah, and to see him, we need to get some qualities. Yes, this story I always tell in the class. Like in South India, we have one of the great, what to tell, the devotee of the Lord. Yeah, he was with his, friends in a school, Gurukul. And what happened? His master said that, like, I am going to give you all a task. I'll give you a banana. Yeah, the fruit has been given to you. You have to eat this fruit in a place such that no one observes you, no one sees you eating this fruit. That was the task. And the Guru gave a 1 day time for all his students. So this person and all his friends, they went and they were all planning to eat. The next day when the time was set up for telling how they ate it without showing the people. So everyone came at the time, and in front of Guru, everyone explained, I went inside a cave where there was no one, I ate it, or something else. I went into the cupboard where no one can see, so I ate it, like this. But one student said, I did not eat it. All started laughing. One banana you could not eat, hiding from people, hiding from a place where no one can see you. They all were making joke. Then the Guru asked, what happened? Why you could not eat the banana? What could be the reason? Can anyone guess?
God is everywhere.
Yeah.
Yes, God is everywhere. He's also in our where?
Heart.
Heart.
Yes, he's in our heart.
Soul.
Yes. No. We are soul with us. He's there as super soul, Mataji. So he's there everywhere. Krishna is there everywhere. Yeah, you need to see him. Whatever Krishna said, we have to first of all believe that yes, whatever Krishna is telling is truth. If a scientist comes and explain, if you do this and this, you will get this results. You said no, I won't accept. If you say like that, how is it possible? Yeah, if you're a knowledgeable person, you know what the thing they have done. Yeah, what results have done, you will approve it. Yes, it is right. So we are not eligible now to see Krishna. We are not eligible to experience him. We don't have such qualities to see him suddenly. But the devotees of the Lord, they have seen, they have experienced, and they have shared this information with us. That is what we all have to understand. Yes, Chitra Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
मन्यसे यदि तच्छक्यं मया द्रष्टुम् इति प्रभो योगेश्वर ततो मे त्वं दर्शयात्मानम् अव्ययम्.
Hare Krishna. If you think that I am able to behold your cosmic form, O my Lord, O Master of all mystic power, then kindly show me that unlimited universal self. You cannot order Krishna, you cannot demand. Everything happens by his will. Sarva Karana Karana. He is the reason for everything. Yeah. So you cannot demand him. Like I was really like, when you come to know about the Kalia, the snake, Krishna was about to kill that snake. He was dancing on it, and he had puked out everything. Kalia had puked out every poison out from his body, and now blood was coming. He was about to die. All his wives were asking Krishna, please, please forgive our husband. Yeah, and Kalia realized this mistake, and he asked Krishna, Krishna, by nature I am a snake. My nature is to puke out poison, and I did it in ignorance. Please, if you think I can be given a chance, kindly please give me a chance so that I can serve you and become your devotee. Yeah, what will we do? Krishna, you gave me this one. Why did you keep that one here in my life? That's why I did wrong. Yeah. Why you made me to talk? That's why I'm talking, isn't it? We demand things. We ask. We don't take permission from Krishna. We don't beg him. We don't ask him at all. We order. We demand. That is how the devotees of Lords are. Yes, when we go in front of God and we beg, Krishna, please give me that. Krishna, please give me this. And if he doesn't give, we'll start, scolding, hating him. Yeah, not talking to him, not doing any puja for him. No, anything to that matter. Krishna, if you desire, Krishna, if you think I am eligible enough to do service to you, please give a chance to serve you. Yeah, if you think I am, fit to be your devotee, please give a chance. We need to ask like this. That is a real devotee's behavior. You can see here Arjuna, close friend of Krishna, who is seeing Krishna in front of him. How is he asking? If you think that I am able to behold, because you don't know whether you are qualified, you are eligible, you have such, senses in your body which could help you to see the cosmic form of the Lord, which is very difficult for us. He's asking, if you think, then kindly show me that unlimited universal self. This is how the devotees of the Lord should be. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, my dear Arjuna, O son of Pritha, behold now my opulences, hundreds of thousands of very divine forms, multicolored like sea. O best of Bharatas, see here the different manifestation of Adityas, Vasus, Rudras, Ashwini Kumaras, and all other demigods. Behold the many wonderful things which no one has ever seen or heard of before. Whatever you wish to see can be seen all at once in this body. This universal form can show you all that you now desire, as well as whatever you may desire in the future. Everything is here completely. Because Krishna said, yeah, he is the starting, he is the middle, he is the ending. So you can see everything, whatever you decide and whatever you may desire in the future. Oh, I saw Vishwarupam in Krishna that day. I wanted to see this part. Oh, I forgot to ask. No, you cannot have a doubt at all. You're going to see everything completely. Why could only Arjuna see Vishwarupa? Anyone had the thought of it?
Because Krishna decided that he is deemed fit uh, to see.
Wonderful.
Others are not
Look at
eligible.
you. Sorry?
Others are not eligible.
Bhargav Prabhu, others are not eligible. Yes.
Sanjay did not saw the Vishwarupa.
He saw Prabhuji. We'll discuss about it very shortly. We'll come to that shloka also. So why could only Arjuna see Vishwarupa in the battlefield? The reason is, Chitramataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
न
Krishna.
तु मां शक्यसे द्रष्टुम् अनेनैव स्वचक्षुषा दिव्यं ददामि ते चक्षुः पश्य मे योगमैश्वरम्. हरे
Hare Krishna. But you cannot see me with your present eyes. Whatever the senses we have with this conditioned body, they are gross senses. They are the senses which we have got for this body. For example, you have your eyes, you have an eyesight. Yeah, you cannot see things properly. What you do, you put a lens, you put a glass, isn't it? Yeah, with some power in it, and you can see clearly. You got it? Similarly, to see the Lord, these eyes, what we have, which has come with this body, we can't. We cannot see. Therefore, I give you divine eyes. Behold my mystic opulences. Krishna already gave the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. So it means that Arjuna is eligible. He is fit to get. He is a devotee. He has surrendered. He is a disciple of Krishna. But how we could see Krishna's universal form? Because Krishna gave him the divine eyes. Divine eyes. Similarly, if we want to see Krishna, then you have to be a devotee, you have to serve Krishna, and you should ask, if you think Krishna, I can behold your Rupa, the opulence. Please give me a chance to see. And if he wishes, he will give you divine eyes and you can see it. Then here Sanjaya said, O king, speaking thus, the supreme, the lord of all mystic power, the personality of Godhead, displayed his universal form to Arjuna. So please note, Sanjaya is a devotee of the Lord and he has got a boon from his guru, Vyasadeva, to see everything. Yeah. So he also sees. Arjuna saw in that universal form unlimited mouths and unlimited eyes. It was all wondrous. Not one eyes, not one mouth, unlimited. It was all wondrous. Yeah. The form was decorated with divine, dazzling ornaments and arrayed in many garbs. He was garlanded gloriously, and there were many suns smeared over his body. All was magnificent, all expanding, unlimited. This was seen by Arjuna. Sanjaya is telling to Dhritarashtra. If hundreds of thousands of suns rose up at once into the sky, they might resemble the effluence of the Supreme Person in that universal form. The Lord was just glowing, just glowing. Yes. At that time, Arjuna could see in the universal form of the Lord the unlimited expansions. I keep on saying Krishna expands, expands. Yeah. Arjuna could see. Yes, Sudarshan Prabhu?
Mataji, along with the Arjuna, Sanjaya also got the opportunity to see the universal form as equal to Arjuna. So why that boon he got, the Sanjaya got? So how fortunate he is.
Vyasadev, his guru. Vyasadev is the, the incarnation of the Lord. Yes, he gave us all this Vedas and Shastras which were lost. Yes, he gave this divine divine eyes for Sanjaya to sit down and listen. So if he is a disciple of Vyasadeva, student of Vasudeva, of course, yeah, Vyasadeva is not a normal person to have a normal student, isn't it? If he's a student, he knows who Krishna is. Yes, so he's also eligible. Yeah.
But we don't give that importance to the Sanjay as we have given that importance to the Arjuna in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
See,
Why is this so?
what to do, Prabhuji? We are doing like that. Nowadays, though, we are worried about Duryodhana only. We are making all the villains heroes, isn't it? Ravana is hero, Duryodhana is hero. Nothing like that, Prabhuji. Because if you see here, Sanjaya, who can sit? He was in the battlefield. He left the battlefield and he came back. And he's sitting here in front of the Tarashtra and telling everything. How can he get such a beautiful divine eyes to see and hear what was happening? Yeah, he can express it. How is it possible? Yeah, it should be. It is that he is very much eligible, isn't it? Why would Vyasadev give some normal person this divine eyes? Not possible, no? Yes?
Mother, yes, Mother.
Yes. We have to understand in that way, Prabhuji, because some characters, if they are not explained to us, doesn't mean that they are not eligible, they are not good. Yeah, we need to understand that part.
Sure. Thank you, Mother.
Hari bol, Prabhuji. At that time, Arjuna could see in the universal form of the Lord the unlimited expansion of the universe situated in one place, although divided into many, many thousands. So, this picture would help you a little bit. When you see, like in the place of Arjuna, this is how Krishna was looking around. Yes. Then, bewildered and astonished, his hair standing on end, Arjuna began to pray with folded hands, offering obeisance to the Supreme Lord. Wherever he was seeing Lord's expansion. Of course, when you see something like this, you'll be astonished. And he started folding his hands and praying to the Lord. Arjuna said, "My dear Lord Krishna, I see assembled together in your body all the demigods and various other living entities. I see Brahma sitting on the lotus flower, as well as Lord Shiva and many sages and divine serpents. O Lord of the universe, I see in you, in your universal body, many, many forms, bellies, mouths, eyes, expanded without limit. There is no end, there is no beginning, and there is no middle to all this. All 360-degree, wherever he gazes around, he is seeing Krishna's form. Your form, adorned with various crowns, clubs, and discs, is difficult to see because of its glaring effulgence, which is fiery and immeasurable like the sun. So you can see this light around the Lord. Yeah. You are the supreme primal objective. You are the best in all the universe. You are inexhaustible and you are the oldest. You are the maintainer of religion, the eternal personality of Godhead. You are the origin without beginning, middle, or end. You have numberless arms, and the sun and moon are among your great unlimited eyes. By your own radiance, you are heating this entire universe. Although you are one, you are spread throughout the sky and the planets and all space between, O Great One, as I behold this terrible form. Arjuna is telling to Krishna, this terrible form, I see that all the planetary systems are perplexed. All the demigods are surrendering and entering into you. They are very much afraid, and with folded hands, they are singing the Vedic hymns. Yes, O mightily armed one, all the planets with their demigods are disturbed at seeing your many faces, eyes, arms, bellies, and legs, and your terrible teeth. And so I am. He is also disturbed. So you can see here, what does that shloka give us the information? Even the demigods are able to see this Vishwarupam. Yes? Yes. How eligible they are? Devotees of the Lord. They're the devotees of the Lord. They're eligible to see it. So why is Arjuna disturbed? He only asked to see Vishwarupam. Now why is he disturbed? Why is he saying this one in the previous sloka?
Because of the vastness that he's seeing, probably.
Yes,
So many
Mataji.
faces, so many hands, so many bellies.
Yes,
All of that.
yes, Dipanshu, yes, Trisha Mataji, yes, Dipanshu Prabhuji, Dipanshu Mataji, I call. So what's happening? He's seeing all this at a time. He was seeing just 200 beautiful Krishna in front of him, and now he's seeing so much. Of course, he's disturbed. Of course, he's disturbed. Yes, Chitra Mataji.
Sorry, Mataji. Sorry.
Mataji.
नभस्पर्शं दीप्तमनेकवर्णं व्यथाननं दीप्तविशालनेत्रं दृष्ट्वा हि त्वां प्रव्यथितान्तरात्मा धृतिं न विन्दामि शमं च विष्णु.
Hare Krishna. Oh, all pervading Vishnu, seeing you with your many radiant colors, touching the sky, your gaping mouths, and your great glowing eyes, my mind is perturbed by fear. I can no longer maintain my steadiness or equilibrium of mind. Now Arjuna is telling he saw Krishna's that Vishwarupam and is feared. Why should he fear? Krishna is his friend. Why he should be fearing Krishna? Very simple. Your father, for example, your parent, you consider your parent is a police officer, okay? Your dad will be very happy, very, lovingly expressing his all affections to you in the home. But when he wears his uniform and is on the duty, and when he's questioning or punishing or, inquiring a criminal, he cannot show the same affection as he's showing to you. That is also a form of your father, isn't it? Which is very furious. And when you do something wrong, they have to get anger and they have to scold you. So seeing that baby cries, yeah, my father is scolding me, his face is like this. We get fearful, oh, my father is like this, my mother is like this. Same thing is happening to Arjuna. He saw the beautiful Krishna in front of him, but now he's seeing all the forms. Remember, Krishna said, he is the one creating, he is the one annihilating. So, in the case of annihilating, he'll have that furious form all at once. And please note that everything is seeing Arjuna at a time. Of course, he's feeling scared. For first time, he's seeing such things. all the sons of Dhritarashtra, along with their allied kings and Bhishma, Drona, and Karna, and all our soldiers are rushing into your mouths, their heads smashed by your fearful teeth. I see that some are being crushed between your teeth as well. As the rivers flow into the sea, so all these great warriors are enter your blazing mouths and perish. I see all people rushing full speed into your mouths as moths dash to destruction in a blazing fire. O Lord of Lords, so fierce of form, please tell me who you are. I offer my obeisance unto you. Please be gracious to me. You are the primal Lord. I want to know about you, for I do not know what your mission is. He know who Krishna is. But seeing that fearful form, what's happening? All the opposite party, the Kaurava party, and some soldiers from his party, all are entering Krishna's mouth and they're getting crushed. They're killed. They're getting killed by Krishna. He's like shocked. He's seeing it. He's asking, who are you? What's your mission? Krishna, what is this? You can see this picture. Here all are entering the mouth of Krishna. You can see here Krishna's beautiful face is there. The fearful face, what Arjuna is describing is this one. So in this you can see all the faces, never-ending faces, many faces. Yes, so this is what Arjuna's question. Who are you, Krishna? What is your mission? Yes, Chitra Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Kalosmi Lokakshayakrit Pravriddaha Lokan Samahartum Iva Pravrittaha Rite Pitvam Na Bhavishyanti Sarve Yeva Stita Pratyanikeshu Yodhaha. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, Kalo Asmi. Time I am, the great destroyer of the worlds, and I have come here to destroy all people, with the exception of you, the Pandavas. All the soldiers here on both the sides will be slain. Yes, will be slain. That is already done by Krishna. I am time. Yes, Chitramataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
तस्मात् त्वमुत्तिष्ठ यशो लभस्व जित्वा शत्रुं भुङ्क्ष्व राज्यं समृद्धं मयैवैते निहिता पूर्वमेव निमित्तमात्रं भव सव्यसाचिन्. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Bhargav Prabhuji, I don't know who is that doctor. I'm sorry. Yeah. Therefore, get up and prepare to fight. After conquering your enemies, you will enjoy a flourishing kingdom. They are already put to death by my arrangement. And you, O Savyasachan, can be but an instrument in the fight. What we need to understand from this shloka, everything is already decided. We have done so many karmas, yeah, and we have to pay for it. When we turn towards Krishna, He knows how to take care of us. Our work is just to be an instrument, nimitta matram. We should be an instrument in the hand of Lord and do our duty. Right time, Mataji asked a question. Shrishti Mataji. Yes, please see here. A doctor wants to operate a person and save. Doctor knows what should be done. He has all the knowledge. He knows what is right, what is wrong. So what he'll do, he'll take a instrument which will help to cut the body and operate a patient. So we should be like that instrument. Yeah, just like that instrument. Yes, we have so many works to do. We have so much duties to do. We have to just do it. We should concentrate on doing it. Fix our mind on doing our duty properly. Yes, we should not fix the mind on the results. For example, you keep a bowl of rice on the stove for cooking, and you sit and you keep on asking, praying. My goal is rice should be cooked now, or my desire is rice should be cooked now. It's of no use. If you put properly the rice, right measurement of water, and you keep it on the fire, which is of at the right condition, you will surely get the rice. The cooked rice will be ready in the given time. Similarly, if you are going to see Olympics, people will train for years together. Yes, they'll train for years together. Why? Everyone wants to win. Everyone wants to win gold medal only. Yeah. Is there anyone who thinks like, okay, somehow I got selected, let me go to that place and enjoy and come? No, all are working hard. They have that goal only. They have the desire to get gold medal. But only the person who is eligible will get it. The eligibility criteria could be many things. You cannot tell, okay, he is best, he is not best. They all got selected, they all trained for years together to participate on that one day, for that minute, or for that second, or that time in that competition, and to win. Same with us. Why you need to have a goal? Why you need to have a desire? Very simple. You are a mother, please do your duties. You are a student, you have to study. Yes, you have to study. You go to school, yeah. You, for example, you will be planning to become a doctor, yeah. Most of the cases, many of us have a desire to become this or that, and we end up being something else. Very rare to rare, you plan something and it will happen to us, isn't it? But what is more important for us? Just to see that we finish our duty, be an instrument in the Lord's hand. There is nothing, whether you desire, whether you have a goal, what should happen, that only will happen. So some people might think, oh, is that so, Mataji? Anyhow, everything is decided. Why should I work? I'll sleep down. Then you are accumulating more and more sense by not doing your duty. Yes, so we should do our duty. Everything is already arranged by Krishna. We are just the instrument. For better example, here you can see Krishna wants you all to know Bhagavad Gita. He thinks, yes, these people are eligible to know about me. Now, Ramanishta Prabhu is an instrument. By his order, I am talking in this class. Yes, we are just instrument. I never had a plan. I never had a goal. One day I'll become a preacher. I will preach about Krishna. Never. I never desire. For me, whatever I'm teaching, I'll see to that I'm doing for Krishna. I'll see to that whatever line I'm saying, whatever I'm discussing, it's the best to my knowledge. Yes, so we should be just instrument in the Lord's hand. He knows what is right and wrong. He knows what is best for us. We need not worry about it. Yeah, we need not worry about it. Yes, how can I be instrument in hands of Krishna? Can you give some examples from your side? How you can be an instrument in Krishna's hand?
By preaching him to other people.
Yeah, that's a very important one. You can teach. Yes, Sudarshan Prabhu.
Yes, ma'am. Just we have to do our constitutional duties,
Yes.
and we think that these duties were assigned by Krishna, and just to satisfy Krishna, we have to do our duties.
Yes, that's a beautiful thing. That's why Krishna said, everyone have been already killed. They are going to die. Just get up and fight, Arjuna. We should all do our duty, whatever it could be. Yeah, please understand. Even if a person is taking care of the footwears outside the temple, the devotee's footwear, and he is doing it with his whole heart as a service to Krishna, then he is also doing devotional service. Doesn't mean that only if you stand in front of Krishna, only you do arti, only you could touch Krishna's feet, then that is only devotional service. No. Whatever duty you have, do it as a service to him without any desires. Yes, everything is planned. He knows best. Everything will happen as such. Everything, especially when the devotees come. No, I've heard many of them. They experience what they share. You cannot say Krishna is with me with a definite explanation. This is how happened. Things we think like it won't happen at all. The chances are like zero. they turn out to be positive, or they turn out to work out. I don't know how. That is how Krishna makes impossible, he'll make possible. Possible, he'll make impossible. Because he knows what is right. Yes, Chitramataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
द्रोणं च भीष्मं च जयद्रथं च कर्णं तथा यान् अपि योधवीरान् मया हतां त्वं जहिमा व्यवस्थिता युध्यस्वजेतासि रणे सपत्नम्.
Hare Krishna. Drona, Bhishma, Jayadratha, Karna, and the other great warriors have already been destroyed by me. Therefore, kill them and do not be disturbed. Please note here, Arjuna is a Kshatriya. He has authority to kill people in the battlefield. Don't consider Krishna told us to kill. Yeah, no, it's only for him because he's a Kshatriya. If you are a Brahmana, you have to gain knowledge and to give others. Yes, if you are a Kshatriya, you should use your power and skills and protect the other three Varnas. If you are a Vaishya, you have to do business, give all the facilities for the other three Varnas. And if you are Shudra, you should do our duty. How? By serving. Yes, same way Krishna is telling to Arjuna, therefore kill them and do not be disturbed. Simply fight and you will vanquish your enemies in battle. Yes, so simply do your duty. You will for sure go to Krishna if you are doing your duty for Krishna. If you do for yourself, for sure you are going to stay in the material world. That is what we need to understand. Sanjaya said to the Dhritarashtra, O king, after hearing these words from the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Arjuna trembled, fearfully offered obeisance and with folded hands and began flattering to speak as follows. Ho Rishikesha, the world becomes joyful upon hearing your name, and thus everyone becomes attached to you. Although the perfected beings offer you the respectful homage, the demons are afraid and they flee here and there. All this is rightly done. O Great One, who stands above even Brahma, you are the original master. Why should they not offer their homage up to you? O Limitless One, O Refuge of the universe, you are the invincible source, the cause of all causes, transcendental to this material manifestation. You are the original personality, the Godhead. You are the only sanctuary of this manifested cosmic world. You know everything and you are all that is knowable. If you know Krishna, then there is nothing in any worlds for you to know. That is what it means. You are above the material modes, O limitless form. This whole cosmic manifestation is pervaded by you. Yeah, see the beauty of Archana now. I have in past addressed you as O Krishna, O Yadava, O my friend. O Krishna, O Yadava, O Madhaveti, O Sancheti, Govinda, Damodara, Madhaveti. They're a wonderful kirtan. Arjuna was thinking Krishna as his friend. He was calling him as, Oh Krishna, Oh Yadava, like that. How we call friends, Yeah. Oh my friend, without knowing your glories, please forgive whatever I may have done in madness or in love. I have dishonored you many times while relaxing or while lying on the same bed or eating together, sometimes alone and sometimes in front of many friends. Please excuse me for all my offenses. Yes, we also think Krishna is like us. Krishna is going to be like us. No, he's very much superior. You can't even imagine. You can't even imagine. Yeah. So by reading Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam, you'll come to know Krishna's opulences. And then you'll understand how great he is. We are nowhere to him. We're just a tiny, tiny spark out of that entire opulence of Krishna. Yes, he's requesting, please excuse me for all my offenses. Why is Arjuna asking pardon here? Why should he ask?
Because he has
Why?
addressed Krishna as a mitra, as a friend. He's
Yes,
also teasingly spoken to him in a like how friends speak to each other,
yes,
um, but not realizing his all opulent, all glories of the Krishna at the time.
yes. He came to know the true self of him and Krishna. Yes, Prabhuji, someone was answering.
Yeah, Mataji, actually Mataji answered. I will add a little more.
Hmm.
Yeah, now he has understood who is Krishna, and now he has realized how he has cheated in the past, and now
Yes.
he has surrendered completely unto lotus feet of Lord Krishna, and that
Yes.
is partner.
Exactly, Prabhuji. You need to know who Krishna is. Then only you can surrender to him. You should, when you know how powerful Krishna is, what all Krishna is, then only you can develop faith in him. Yeah. If you keep on thinking Krishna is lalla, a small little baby, you are someone before, how could you get this love? Yeah. But Krishna is the devotee. Sorry, Krishna, for Krishna, Arjuna is the devotee and he has already surrendered to Krishna. He said, starting, I'm surrendering. But now, after seeing, it means that when he said starting surrendering, he did not really mean, he just was in that state of compassion and indecisive condition. He said, I'm surrendering, please help me to get a state where I can decide what is right for me. But now, after seeing everything, he's realizing, no, I was wrong. And the devotees of the Lord are like this. When they do wrong, they will ask for sorry. Yes, when they are done something knowingly or unknowingly wrong, and if they are cursed, they're going to accept it. Whatever condition is there, they're going to accept that condition. And Arjuna is displaying all such wonderful qualities of a devotee. Yes. After seeing this universal form, which I have never seen before, I am gladdened. But at the same time, my mind is disturbed with fear. Therefore, please bestow your grace upon me and reveal again your form as the personality of Godhead, O Lord of Lords, O abode of the universe. So Arjuna asked for universal form. And again, here he is asking for Krishna's personality of Godhead form. So this is a second form he is requesting Krishna to show, the Lord of Lords form. O universal Lord, I wish to see you in your four-armed form. So the personality of Godhead, the God of gods, that form is what? Where Krishna has four arms with helmeted head and with club, wheel, count, and lotus flower in your hands. I long to see you in that form. O best of the Kuru warriors, Krishna is telling, no one before you has ever seen this universal form of mine. For neither by studying the Vedas, nor by performing sacrifices, nor by charities or similar activities can this form be seen. Only you have seen this. Your mind has been perturbed upon seeing this horrible feature of mine. Now let it be finished, my devotee. Be free from all disturbance. With a peaceful mind, you can now see the form you desire, that four-handed form. Yes, the personality of Godhead form. This is the one. Yeah, he has a beautiful helmet on his head. He has the chakra. He has the shankha. He has the gada. And he has the kamala. He has four hands. This is the personality of Godhead form. Yes. Sanjaya said to the Dhritarashtra, the supreme personality of Godhead Krishna, while speaking thus to Arjuna, displayed his real four-armed form. And at last he showed him his two-armed form, thus encouraging the fearful Arjuna. So the four-armed form is behind. You can see in front, Krishna is having this two-hand form or two-armed form. He showed 3 forms to Arjuna. Yes, 3 forms to Arjuna. When Arjuna thus saw Krishna in his original form. So, which is the original form of Krishna?
The
The
Shyam
lot
Sundar
many
form,
hands
Mataji?
and
The
lot
Krishna
many.
form.
2 arms.
Which one? 4-hand
I would
form,
say the
2-hand formed, or Vishwarupam?
4
Universal form.
4
Vishwarupa.
hand form.
2 arms.
2 hands
no,
form.
no, the
I'm
Shyam
getting
Sundar
all the
form.
answers. Yeah.
The Krishna in his original roop as the Krishna Shyam Sundar, as the Govind, as the Gopal.
Which one? 2-armed form, 4-armed form, or the universal form?
Two-arm form. Two-arm
Universal
form.
form.
Govind.
2-armed form. Please see, he showed him his 2-armed form, thus encouraging the fearful Arjuna. And next, this was shloka number 50, shloka number 51. When Arjuna thus saw Krishna in his original form, the 2-hand form is the original form of the Lord. That is what Krishna said. Many were asking, no, Krishna, like, yesterday also, I think Krishna Mataji asked that question. Yeah, the Ramlala, Krishna is there in that avatars. And I said for that answer, Krishna will come in his original form. What is that original form of Krishna? The 2-hand form. Here it has been clearly given. Okay, when Arjuna thus saw Krishna in his original form, he said, seeing this human-like form, so very beautiful, so human-like form of Krishna is its original form. Yes,
And what
so
is the Vishwarupa, ma'am?
that is his complete form, how we entered the cosmic.
Okay.
Okay,
And the
yes.
4-armed form is what Arjuna wanted to see Krishna as.
That is the supreme personality of God. He is head of all the gods, no? So that is what he is decorated with all his, Gada, Shankha, Chakra, and Kamal. Yes, here is human form is this beautiful form. That's the original. When things come up, like he can become a boy, he can come with some of his friends, in a youth form. If he wants to kill a demon, he'll come in different form. That is all at once. What all forms, what all avatars Krishna has taken, they were all seen in universal form. Yes, that was a complete with the original form. How Krishna is in Golaka Vrindavan, he is like the humans. He has the human-like form with 2 arms. That is what is its original form. That is why Krishna told, Yuge Yuge, millennium after millennium, I'll come in my original form, human-like form. Seeing this human-like form, so very beautiful, my mind is now pacified and I'm restored to my original nature. O Supreme Personality of Godhead said, the Supreme Personality of Godhead said, my dear Arjuna, the form which you are now seeing is very difficult to behold. Even the demigods are ever seeking the opportunity to see this form which is so dear. So the original form of Krishna, no one has seen. Yes, that beautiful form he is displaying for Arjuna. That is why Indra could not recognize Krishna who was in in the Bhuloka, that he is the supreme Sri Krishna himself. Brahma could not recognize because they have not seen the original form of the Lord. That is what Krishna is telling here. How can I see Vishwarupa? How can
We
I
are
see
not eligible
Vishwarupa?
only.
Sorry?
We are not eligible only to see.
We are eligible, Mataji, Trisha Mataji. Krishna will
When
give
By
the.
when God
Sorry?
wanted you to be, when
by
God you to be
Okay,
as your devotion.
when Krishna gives a chance, then anyone else?
Ma'am, when Krishna ji gave us the divine eyes to see Vishwarupa.
Yes, Richa Mataji, he should give by divine eyes, by having the divine eyes. Let's see what Krishna is telling in Shloka 54. Yes, Chitra Mataji.
भक्त्या त्वनन्यशक्या अहम् एवं विधोऽर्जुना ज्ञातुं द्रष्टुं च तत्त्वेन प्रवेष्टुं च परन्तप. हरे
Hare Krishna. My dear Arjuna, only by undivided devotional service, can I be understood as I am, standing before you and can thus be seen directly. Only in this way you can enter into the mysteries of my understanding. If you also want to see Krishna, then please do devotional service. That too undivided devotional service. Yeah, completely focused on Krishna, never agitated, disturbed by anything around materially, completely fixed your mind on Krishna, doing service only to please Krishna, not to please you anywhere. Yes, then only you can understand Krishna, then only you can see Krishna directly. Yes, then only you can get into that mystery of understanding Krishna. This is the eligibility for all of us. Whoever has this eligibility can see Krishna. Yes, yes, Chitra Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Mat
Krishna.
karma krimmat paramaha mad bhakta sangha varjitaha nirvaira sarva bhuteshu yasamamiti pandava. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. My dear Arjuna, he who engages in my pure devotional service, free from the contaminations of fruitive activities and mental speculations, he who works for me, who makes me the supreme goal of his life. Shashti Mataji, I said no goal, don't keep any goal, don't desire anything. Your answer is here. Who makes me the supreme goal of his life. So we should not have any goal other than having Krishna as the goal. Yes, and who is friendly to every living being. He certainly comes to me. So if you want to be a devotee, you need to have all these qualities. He certainly comes to me. Certainly means you, there is no doubt at all. So what happens if you become a devotee of the Lord? You will be going to Krishna. Yes, you will be going to Krishna. Vajamila went back to the Lord. We also will go to his place. So by this chapter number 11 is done. Hare Krishna. And tomorrow chapter number 12. What is this pure devotional service? Krishna said today in the last shloka, isn't it? Who does pure devotional service unto me? And tomorrow for this, the answer is waiting. Yeah, what is this devotional service? So tomorrow's chapter is Bhakti Yoga. How to do that Bhakti Yoga. Hare Krishna. Any doubts?
Ma'am, just one thing. When
Yes,
we
ma'am.
say that you should just do your duty, so your
Mm,
basically our duty is devotional service. Am I right?
mm, mm.
No, that is the only doubt I have. Means
Yes,
from the beginning only I had
Mataji.
that doubt that what is my duty, what is so it is devotional service which we will
Yes,
continue tomorrow.
serving Krishna, pleasing Krishna. That's it.
But in our form, as we say that we are I'm a woman, I'm a daughter, I'm a sister, I'm
Yes,
a friend. So
yes,
in that case, even
uh,
when I'm doing my duty as a daughter, it has to
uh.
be for Krishna. Am I right?
Yes, that's it. You're cooking something, don't cook for someone, cook for Krishna. Tell I'm cooking for Krishna. Others are only going to do, but you're cooking for Krishna, giving to him, then you are going to eat.
But
You're,
if
for
I'm doing
example,
something,
yes,
say I'm doing something for
uh,
my mother.
yes,
Okay, for example,
uh,
just very small example, if I'm giving
uh,
her medicine,
mm,
okay, then that also is for Krishna, is it?
exactly. You got the
Achha.
point, Mataji.
Okay.
Okay? Yes. Whatever you do, you're singing, yeah. Then think you're singing for Krishna. You're working in the office for your boss. Then think you're working for Krishna. Don't think like I'm doing for such person for me, and so and so. Ma'am, as we know, understand this, but sometimes the jealousy nature ruined our nature and our mental peace. Yes, Srishti Mataji, coming chapters are going to help us for this. Yeah, the jealousy. I'm trying to engage in devotion, but at the end of all these emotions come back. So how can I get out of it? Mataji, Krishna said, fix your mind on him. So fixing the mind on Krishna, it takes a little time for us. Yeah, and you will be pulled like this. Suddenly you will get angry, and especially we have the anger issue. Yes, Krishna will tell Mataji. Next chapters, after the 12th chapter, till 12th chapter, Krishna is talking about Bhakti Yoga. After the 12th, means 13th chapter into 18th chapter, it is Jnana Yoga. He'll give us the knowledge. How to use that knowledge and do Bhakti Yoga. Yes, there he'll specially address this anger, the lust. Yeah, he will specially address Mataji. Please wait. Yes, Hare Krishna. Harsha Chandan Prabhu, in quiz I am not able to attend 9th chapter and later chapters. Why? Chitra Mataji, all are available, no? Everything will
Yes,
be uploaded at once.
yeah. I'll check, Mataji, if there is any problem. I don't think so, but
Okay. Mataji will let you know, Prabhuji. Mahabharata, no, Mataji. Hemangi Mataji, no Mahabharata classes. We have Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam classes. Okay. Then, okay. Thank you, Mataji. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? No doubts? Okay, so please think about it, and if you go for the detailed study, you will understand even more things. Yeah, we cannot cover in this 1 hour class the complete Vishwarupa of the Lord and the other two forms of the Lord. We have just given you information that Arjuna could see these 3 forms. Okay.
Hare
Yes,
Krishna Mataji.
yes, Swayambhrava Mataji.
I have two doubts.
Yes, Mataji.
When I was answering the quiz for chapter 9, the question was, which of the following Vishnu enters into everything, even into the minute atom?
Yes, Mataji. I know the answer.
Answer was, yeah, I ticked for that.
Which
But
one?
the answer it shows is wrong, Mataji.
What is the answer?
Karanodayaka Vishnu.
Okay.
Okay, but it says Kshirodaka.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, Kshirodaka, I
Yes.
ticked it.
Okay.
And it said wrong. And the answer given was Karanodaka Shai Vishnu.
Karanodakshaya
So
Vishnu.
in the quiz only, it is wrong, Mataji.
Okay, we'll take care of it, Mataji. Don't worry about it. Okay? We'll just
So
forward
I
the
got one
message
mark
and let
less
you
in
know.
that.
Oh no.
This is chapter 9.
Okay.
chapter
Sure,
9.
Mataji. Yes, it is there
Chapter
only.
9.
We'll let you know,
Kindly
Mataji.
check that.
Yes, Mataji.
And one more doubt. See, normally all gods, that is demigods, you can say now after reading Bhagavad Gita, like Rama and other gods, even Venkatramana and all, they show the Abhaya Hasta. That is, God's hand is shown like Abhaya, protection like, right?
Yes. Yes.
But in Krishna, we don't see that.
Yes.
We worship Krishna's photo, idol, whatever. It is not shown. What is the reason, Mataji?
Actually, Mataji, he displays that form of the joyful form of him. Yeah, always holding the flute in his hand. Okay, that is a form we see always. And yes, what I understand is we all have to go to Goloka Vrindavan, that is his abode, and in his abode, he is like this, holding his flute, and we all will be dancing in front of him and singing in front of him. And Habhayasta, whatever you have around for the gods and the demigods and all, we are asking something materialistic from them, and they are going to give us immediately. Yes, so Krishna is like, you ask anything, he'll not give you. No, you ask any simple. If you see most of the examples from our ancestor, the demons and all, what they do, they never go to Krishna and ask for something, the boon and all. Have you experienced any such things, Mataji, or you come across such things where Krishna
No,
is giving boon
it's to the
to one?
demigods. They ask the demigods,
Yeah,
Lord
only
Shiva.
the Only the demigods, you should do austerities, yeah. You should meditate on them for a very long time, and they will come in front of you, and you will ask a boon, they'll give you. Or else now also you go and pray for them, give me this, give me that, and no, you will get it. Yes, but Krishna, he gives us the complete things. Whatever we need, he is already giving. But he, in the form he displays, it's the original form where we all have to enjoy going back to him. That is what he represents. That is what I think, Mataji.
No, but we worship Krishna, right? We ask
Yes.
him a few things, and
No,
he
no.
says, I'm the one who will be giving you everything. Even if you worship demigods, it's me who is giving you all that he says, right?
Yes.
So then why that Abhaya Hasta is not shown? It was asked by my husband. So I said I'll get it clarified.
Mataji, if you're asking
So
Krishna
even
something.
Rama and Krishna are same, right? But Rama has that Abhaya Hasta.
No, Mataji, Rama is not same. Rama is one of the avatar of the Lord. Yes. One more thing, Mataji, if you're asking anything from Krishna, then gone. You're desiring something from him. Yeah. We are not supposed to ask anything from Krishna. Very simple, Mataji. That is why you don't have that option at all. See, Krishna said two things. When you will become a Nitya Sannyasi, yes, whatever you do, you don't ask for any results. You don't expect any results. And whatever comes to you as a result, you are not going to hate it. Then only you will become a Nitya Sannyasi. That is what Krishna has said. So whatever comes to our life, we should accept it, whether it is good or bad. And whatever we do, we are just doing it. We are not desiring anything. We are not going to ask Krishna. Even if you see, we all requested you to just chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. When you're chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, you are not going to ask Krishna anything. Give me health, give me time. And the devotees of the Lord, they don't even ask for liberation. They don't even ask that I want to go to heavenly planets, I want to take the birth like this, nothing. They will ask only one thing, that is our duty. Krishna, oh Lord, the energy of Shri Krishna, please give me service to you. That's all. Give me a chance to serve you. That is what only we'll ask, nothing else, Mataji. Yeah?
Okay.
Yes, that is the reason.
Okay. And thank you, Mat. In Goloka, Krishna will be in two hand
Yes.
form, is it?
Yes.
Acha. What about devotees who go there?
See,
I
we have same
remember
body.
same two hands only.
Yeah, we'll have same body. When you go to Vaikunta, you can see, you saw Vishnu Dutas, no? They have the four-armed form.
I see. Okay.
Yes.
I don't know. I had heard it as four hands.
Yes,
So,
yes.
okay,
We know
Mataji.
till
Thank you.
Vaikunta. Above Vaikunta, most of us don't know
Okay.
where
Okay.
Krishna
Yeah.
is there. Hare
Mhm.
Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Thank you.
Hari bol Mataji. Hemangi Mataji, how can I educate myself about Mahabharata? What is the best way to know the story in original form? There are all the scriptures available, Mataji, but our acharyas and we all, like Prabhupada tells us, we should read Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita. It's like stepwise. Because by knowing all that, what is the thing which you actually should know, who Krishna is. And these scriptures are sufficient enough to give you the knowledge. Krishna said, of all, I am the knowable. If you know Krishna, you know everything. Yes, so we never went to Mahabharata. Yes, but how much ever the knowledge we require to understand Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, we know that much. Yes, you need to search for the scripts and go on, Mataji. If by chance I come across any Mahabharata classes going on, I'll let you know. Okay, Hare Krishna. But we don't have Mahabharata classes. Hari Bol. Any
Mataji, I have a
doubts?
question.
Yes, Jigna Mataji.
Mataji, so with regards to what this other Mataji was just asking, somewhere within, I can't remember the exact shloka number and chapter, but there is that shloka, the Mama Bhakto, because Krishna strengthens our belief in other demigods before we are capable of worshipping him. Is that correct, right?
No.
I can't remember
Krishna,
the exact shloka number. Mama Bhakto. Yukama,
Yes, I would.
if I remember. So, is it that Krishna strengthens our belief in other demigods? Because I'm speaking from my personal experience. Up until 2021, when I really got into Bhagavad Bhakti with Bimla Gaur Mataji and Namanishta Das Prabhuji, I was my household is a Brahmin household, Gujarati Brahmin household. So we were we were doing Shivji Bhakti, we were doing the Rudra Abhishek, we were
Yes,
doing all Shankar Bhagwan stuff.
yes.
So it's very different from the Shivji Bhakti to Krishna Bhakti. And although my parents are proud that I'm doing this, there is still that question that my bhakti was so strong in Shivji. How am I diverted to
Yes,
Krishna?
yes.
So when I read this shlok, this is where I understood the bit that I believe Krishna is the one who, for us to be tested to see how
Yes.
much our faith can be grown,
True,
we have
Mataji.
to grow our. Is that
Yes.
right?
It's right, Mataji. See, Krishna tells, whatever that shloka you're telling, Krishna tells that whoever worships the demigods, indirectly they are worshipping me only. At
Yeah.
last, they're going to come to me only. Means, instead of eating like this, we are eating like this. That's all. We're taking
Yeah.
another very long way. That's it. Okay. And Lord Shiva, same with me. And my entire family, we were worshipping Lord Shiva only. I mean, home god. Yeah. So we are
Yeah.
worshipping him now also. Means we have to give all the respect to the demigods. Yeah. We have to.
Absolutely.
But Mataji, please know he is the greatest devotee. He is the topmost Vaishnava. Above him, no one is there. Lord Shiva is the topmost Vaishnava. Above him, no devotee is there. He is the topmost. And what will the devotee do?
Yeah, he will say, come to me, as in he will make us believe in what he's believing. So
Yes,
this is why
that's it.
Shivji makes me believe in what he believes, because he
True,
always takes
very
Harinam.
true. Yes, very
So,
true.
so
That's
this
it,
is
Mata.
this is one of the reasons when I do my Vaishnava Pranam mantra.
Yes,
Obviously, I've got my Guruji's photo in front of me, which
yes,
is Srila Prabhupada, and
yes.
I do like Vaishnava Namo Namo to Prabhupada, as well as I do it to the Shivji deity that I have there, because there's no other Vaishnava bigger than them, right? So.
True, Mataji. True, Mataji. A devotee will always show you the right path. That is what has happened with you. Yes,
Thank
Prasad
you,
Prabhu.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
I'm in bhakti for past 1.5 years, and
Haribol.
I'm not still. I have not reached yet 16 malas, but I do completely 8, sometimes 10.
Wonderful,
But
Prabhuji.
because of time and all. But of course, this is an excuse that I'm giving time and all.
Yeah.
I have to reach 16. But still, my doubt or my query to my Guruji here was, so many at many places in the world we just find the Shivalinga coming up. Yeah, and since Krishna was there since ages, but so many Krishna temples or Krishna's idols were not found across the world or even in India. So we have a lot of Shivlingas or Bara Jyotirlingas and all that
Yes,
since
yes,
ages. But
yes.
then how Krishna's temples or idols were not found, and why since ages people did not worship Krishna and people kept on worshipping Shiva only? I mean, how that knowledge did not percolate up to people regarding Krishna and only up to Shiva.
Yes, Babuji, Lord Shiva is known as Bholenath, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
You ask him anything, you please him little, he'll give you all the material opulences, isn't it? Yes.
right.
Then whom will you worship? We all need material enjoyment. Whom will you worship?
Mm-hmm.
That's Shiva. And you take now itself, Prabhuji. Now also, we are conducting free Bhagavad Gita classes. How many are coming? This is our 44th batch. Yeah? No,
Correct.
because if you come to
Correct.
Krishna, there is like he will not give. He knows what to be given. He'll expect us to do pure devotional service. We should do everything to him.
Mm.
You don't desire. You should not have desire. How can we be without desire? Yes, so this is how things is happening, Prabhuji. That is what I think, because most of the cases they tell when the devotees of Krishna don't do devotion to Krishna, You know, you will get lot of problems in your life. You take Pandavas.
Mhm.
Yeah, you take Prahlad Maharaj for example, you take Vibhishana, you
Mhm.
take so many people for example, they all struggled. And you know, Kunti Mata, after all the war was over, everything, Krishna asked, are you happy? What do you want? Then Kunti Mata said, please give me problems in life.
So
Because
that I
when I'm
remember you.
happy, yes, when I'm happy,
Then I
I
remember.
won't remember you, Krishna. You understood? That who will come
Mhm.
forward, Prabhuji? Isn't
No,
it?
but the knowledge of Gita would have been given in since ages also, correct?
Exactly,
So
Prabhuji. That is what Krishna said,
the way
no?
now people are getting connected with Gita and
Yes,
Krishna. So in
yes.
past also definitely people would have done
Sure,
that,
sure,
but
Prabhuji.
larger communities worshipping only up to Shiva. I mean that's
But
not bad. Even I am a Shiva Bhakt. Every Monday I do Shivling
yes,
puja and
yes,
Abhishek along with Krishna. Of course, now after my knowledge is little bit
yes,
increased about
yes.
Krishna.
True, Prabhuji. You're still just 1.5 years, no? You will come to that
Uh,
gradual understanding. That's okay, Prabhuji. Don't worry about it. This is how things happen around. If you take my name, my materialistic name is Manjula. That's the Lord Shiva's name, Manjunatha. South India, we have
yeah.
Shiva Manjunatha. That's my name. Manjula means name
Okay.
of Lord Shiva only. It's not like that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Okay.
we are thinking materialistically these things are happening. Yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
please know that Krishna also said to Arjuna that this Bhagavad Gita was lost. In course of
Mm-hmm.
time, this was lost. I'm giving to you. In Dwapara Yuga only it was lost. And we are in Kali Yuga, Prabhuji. How is it possible? You
Mm-hmm.
got it? So the fools are more. The nature of Kali Yuga itself will have manda buddhi. Our intelligence is very
Uh-huh.
less. That is the characteristics of Kali Yuga. Yeah.
Correct.
So they need materialistic things, then they'll do it. It's not wrong. But only thing is they are in the process of going to Krishna. Yeah. They're starting
Mm-hmm.
instead of being a atheist, yeah, who doesn't
Mm-hmm.
believe Krishna at all, it's better. Yeah, they're going through this path. They develop that devotion and service, and later they'll of course go to Krishna only, Prabhuji. Yeah, that is what I
Yeah.
understand.
No
Hare
problem. We will discuss it later because of paucity of
Krishna.
time.
No,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
Prabhuji. But if you withstand all the tests, actually, one of the Mataji also said to me, I asked this question in one of my, classes where I am taking, that is Bhakti Shastri, that is one course we have to take. So I asked one
Uh-huh.
of my lecturer there, why devotees of the Lord are tested like this. So it's
Mm-hmm.
said that, whatever the karmas we have to pass through, no, he
Right.
wants us to finish it fast and go back to him.
Correct.
Yes, need not stay here. So who will withstand so much of, test? Yeah, so much of
Correct.
miseries to pass and suddenly go. Yeah, but people want materialistic happiness and they see the way to get it. And if you see
Mm-hmm.
most demons, they'll go and worship Lord Shiva, they'll worship Brahmadev, for only reason to destroy. Yeah,
Correct.
and little bit devotion you do, Shivji will give you all the blessings. He is Bholenath.
Right.
He's known for that. Yes. So
Correct.
on that context, yes, this could be one of the reason. Yes.
Correct.
Hare
Okay, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Thank
Hare
you.
Bol Prabhuji Hare Bol. Chigna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. It's
Yes,
regarding the
Swayam.
Krishna. Actually, one Prabhuji had mentioned in the chat that he had completed 8th chapter. So when he went to do that 9th chapter, again it popped up saying that he has to finish 8th chapter. Same thing happened to me because I think if you score 80 and above, you need not repeat the quiz.
Yes. 60
So
above, I guess. It's 80.
mine I had got 70. So
Okay.
when I went to answer for the 9th chapter, my 8th chapter was not was asked to do again.
Okay.
So I did
Okay.
it. Maybe that is one of the reason he
Yes,
couldn't
ma'am, it is 80.
answer.
Okay,
So
okay,
he has
okay.
to redo 8th chapter.
8th chapter. You can redo it and same questions will come. It's not
Yeah,
difficult.
that's what. He has to
Yes,
redo
yes.
to get
Yeah.
80 and above. That is
Yes,
the thing.
yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Please check it out with that method and try to finish the quiz. Okay, there was one question. Yes, Jigna Mataji, wonderful answer also. I didn't go for that part because we are not eligible to talk about Radharani now, you know. So, first of all, if you want to have a DT, Krishna DT, then proper puja should be also done, yeah. And Radharani will be there with him. So, it's totally difficult, not an easy task, yeah. That is why usually we have Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's deities in the Grahasthasam, as the married people will have, or Jagannath will have, so that we can do according to our, time where we are going to office and all. Bhog we can offer in sometimes. We'll never keep the deity of Krishna. And yes, of course, Radharani. That's also the answer.
So, ma'am, which deity we should have at home? Because in my
Usually,
temple, there are all deities, including Krishna, Radharani, Bal
no,
Gopal,
deities
everybody.
in the sense, no, deities in the sense, the Vigraha, bigger ones, where you should do Abhishek, you have to offer Bhoga, yeah, and you should make them sleep, you should, give bath to them, you have to change their dresses and all. There is that full, kind of ritual you need to follow, okay? Not the photos. Photos you can have Krishna everywhere. I have like more photos. All the gifts
No,
I
I have
got, everything
idol, but
is
it is
there.
small, meaning it's not a
Yeah,
big
yeah,
size.
small one which you can hold in your palm size, that's okay, Mataji. We also have a very small Laddu Gopala, so tiny, which I got as a gift. It's in my home,
Yeah, Laddu Gopal also and Krishna
the
Radharani,
smallest one.
small one.
Yeah, usually we don't keep Radharani and Krishna in the home as an idol, okay? Which we call them deities, we don't call idol, yeah. So usually, if not, you have to do. One of the Mataji, I think she asked a question a
So
few days before.
I think
Yeah,
I
she
got it as
wanted.
a gift for my mother when I was in college. I didn't know anything about it.
It's
So
okay,
we just
Mataji.
kept it in the temple.
Unknowingly, if you do, it's okay. Knowingly, you should not do. You have to do all the steps.
Mataji, but this time when I went to Vrindavan,
Hmm.
outside ISKCON temple, there was a seller who was selling the murtis, the deities, and I felt I needed, I don't know, something told me to buy it. So I bought a small deity of Radha Krishna together. They're just um,
Marble stone.
white small deities, and I've actually bought it and I've put it like where every time I walk past it, I'm able to see it. Like everywhere I go in the house,
Okay.
I'm able to see this deity. So I
Okay.
don't do any puja, etc. I mean, on the day I got it, of course, and I carried it all the way
Okay.
from India in my arms. I didn't put it in my
Okay.
hand luggage or anything.
Hmm.
So I didn't know that we couldn't keep Radha Krishna Murti together in the house.
No, you can keep it, Mataji. Yeah, it's like, for example, you have there's some marble stone or something like that, for decoration they
Yeah,
have some places. No, that's fine. But if you bring the deities to the home, you bring an idol, you do prana pratishtha, then you have to do, a very long procedure. Ritual is too much strict. Yeah, so who are doing 16 rounds only they should do. So it is difficult even for the devotees who are initiated. For them also, we usually have Gauranga and Nityananda only in our houses. Yes,
so
but if
I
you're
have a
keeping it for
photograph of
decoration, you
Radha
can have it.
Krishna. I have a photograph of Gaunitai, photograph of
Photograph is
Radha
allowed.
Krishna, but I
You can.
also have a deity of Radha Krishna together. So is that not a
Mm.
good thing? I'm just wondering. Now I'm
It's
scared.
there already in your home. Keep it, Mataji. Okay, let it be with you. It's there. You can keep it. But if you are
Okay.
going to have it in your puja room, you are going to serve them, then there's a proper ritual to be followed. Yeah?
Thank you,
Yes.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji. You're right. iPhone, old time, there was live Katha, Murari Bapu and others give Gita information out there. Yes, Mr. or Mataji or Prabhuji, iPhone, yeah, you're true. Now we all have turned towards Krishna. You can keep pictures, not murtis. Deity worship is elaborated and should be followed. Yes, Sri Mataji, that is what I am explaining to all of them. Yeah, it's you should be like you have the divine couple in your home. Very difficult. Yeah, you can at least think of Krishna, but Radharani, oh, we are not eligible to worship her. We are not in that platform. Difficult. Yeah. Yes. So I've already answered all your questions. So tomorrow, as I told you already, chapter number 12, Bhakti Yoga. What is this? Pure devotional service. By doing it, we'll go to Krishna. We can see Krishna, how he is, we can understand him. Yes, that is tomorrow's topic of chapter number 12. Okay, so let's all meet in tomorrow's class. Thank you very much, Chitra Mataji. वाञ्छा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभय एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्णार्पणमस्तु। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। भगवद गीता की जय।